That was a good experience flying on the 175. When the 175 was about to be designed about 6 years ago, they gave us a questionnaire to fill in, and we fill in our input. And at that time, I think the paper output that came out from the survey showed that it was going to be a very good aircraft. But today, as my first flight on the 175, there are a lot of things that we wanted can be actually readily seen on the aircraft. And the 225, I can tell you, since we were operating the 225 quite some time now, it's a good machine. And the 175, I believe, is going to be just as good or even better.
Very impressed. It's a fantastic machine. Very smooth, a lot more power than I expected. We were at the 6.8 tonne weight, I think, just below the 7.5 tonne. And yeah, very impressed. Plenty of power, 1500 foot over KL Central. Nice hover mode using the new ground speed tracking function. So yeah, overall very impressed, very impressed. The avionics impressed me the most about the machine. The jump in concept from where we are on the 225 to the next generation of avionics, huge jump. Got a glimpse of the future and I really like it. It's fairly obvious that the machine's been designed with oil and gas in mind. Extensively, a very comfortable interior. They've gone to all expenses to make sure it's as comfortable for the passenger as possible. And plenty of room. I mean, it's plenty of room in the rear and there's a lot of room up the front for the pilots. A vast improvement over current aircraft available worldwide. The performance, it's quite obvious that they've tried to apply what's known in the industry as Group A or Cat A power throughout the range. A vast improvement on power, full power availability and single engine accountability throughout the full flight regime. So it's very apparent from a pilot's perspective that that's what they've set out to achieve in the design.
I flew Euro aircraft since 1991. Puma, Super Puma L1 and Super Puma L2, EC155, EC225 and now the 175. And step by step I am feeling the Eurocoaster manufacturers, they have very progressed in the technology applied for each type aircraft. So until 175 is very perfectly system.
We did a vertical takeoff, which having shown a very good power margin. It was very quiet and very smooth throughout the flight, and I could see that the cockpit space is very wide, but the noise level was very low, and I feel very comfortable flying in it.
It's the best, okay? I believe before this 225 is the good machine for me. I mean, the ultimate helicopter on the 225, but this aircraft better than EC225. EC175 is fitted with new avionics. I find it very easy to reach. Everything is in front of you, and I can call it as a smart avionics. I believe this aircraft will be the next best option for a medium lift helicopter for the offshore operation. I give thumbs up to EC225, but now I will give a 2 thumbs up for EC175.